Hi, and thanks for joining my video. Many of you might have noticed something while watching YouTube videos recently, and that is the dislike count shown under videos, which is not visible anymore. YouTube decided to remove displaying the dislike count at the end of 2021. This move was not welcomed by most people, especially the YouTube content creators, many of whom use this data to analyze the performance of their videos, and they tried to improve their content based on the viewer's choice and the dislike that they received on their various videos. But YouTube had their own reasons to remove the display of the dislike count, and they released a video explaining the various aspects that negatively affected YouTube content creators. They also supported their decision with analysis and data that was collected after conducting several surveys and experiments. In case you are interested to hear their side of the story, I have given the link to the YouTube creators video in the description below. But in this video, I am going to tell you how you can get the dislike count back on your YouTube videos. It's actually super simple. You just need to download an extension to your browser, and that's about it. So without wasting any more time, here's how we can do it. Go to the search bar of your browser and simply type return YouTube dislike in the search box. Click the first link if you're using Chrome. Download and install the extension and you're good to go. You can also download this extension from the website shown below when you get the search results. Click on the website returnyoutubedislike.com, which has the browser extensions in case you are using Firefox, Edge, Opera or Brave. That's just about it. Once it's done, the next time you watch any video on YouTube, you will be able to see the actual count of the dislikes on a video. Do you think showing the dislike count on a video is very helpful? Good to have? I never noticed? Or maybe I don't care? Let me know in the comments below. And until my next video, stay safe and healthy wherever you may be. Thank you.